The US-China trade war has re-escalated, raising concerns about global economic stability. The conflict, marked by tit-for-tat tariffs, has disrupted global supply chains and fueled uncertainty in financial markets. Recent developments signal a hardening of stances, making a swift resolution appear less likely. Both sides have imposed new tariffs, targeting key industries and escalating the economic conflict. The trade war began in 2018 under the Trump administration, driven by concerns over China's trade practices. The US has long accused China of unfair trade practices, including intellectual property theft and forced technology transfer. The initial rounds of tariffs focused on manufactured goods, but the conflict has since expanded to encompass a broader range of products. The latest round of tariffs has targeted crucial sectors, including energy and technology. This escalation signals a deepening of the trade dispute, with potentially significant consequences for both economies and the global trading system. The ongoing trade war underscores the complex economic relationship between the two superpowers and the challenges of navigating their competing interests. In response to US actions, China has retaliated with tariffs on a range of American goods. These tariffs target key US exports including coal, liquefied natural gas, and crude oil. The tariffs aim to pressure the US economy and force concessions in trade negotiations. China has also implemented new export controls on metals and related technologies. These controls target materials like tungsten and tellurium, which are crucial for various high-tech industries. By restricting access to these materials, China seeks to leverage its dominance in these sectors. Furthermore, Beijing has taken aim at US tech giant Google, launching an antitrust investigation. The investigation centers on allegations of monopolistic practices that disadvantage Chinese companies. This action demonstrates China's willingness to utilize its regulatory power in the escalating trade conflict. Adding to the pressure, China has added more American firms to its unreliable entities list. This designation allows Chinese authorities to take punitive actions against these companies, further complicating the business environment for US firms operating in China. The US response to China's actions has been measured but firm. President Trump has maintained pressure on China, keeping existing tariffs in place and threatening further action if necessary. The US argues that China's retaliatory measures are unjustified and violate international trade rules. However, the US has also shown a willingness to engage in tactical adjustments to its tariff strategy. In a move aimed at shoring up alliances, the Trump administration has delayed tariffs on goods from Mexico and Canada. This decision reflects the complex geopolitical considerations at play in the trade war. The trade war's escalation has sent ripples through global markets. Stock markets have experienced volatility, reflecting investor anxiety over the potential economic fallout. Fears of a global recession have also grown, as the trade war threatens to disrupt global supply chains and dampen economic growth. The International Monetary Fund has warned that the trade war is a significant risk to the global economy. The organization has downgraded its global growth forecasts, citing trade tensions as a key factor. Despite the escalating tensions, there remains hope for a diplomatic solution to the trade war. Both the US and China have indicated a willingness to continue negotiations, suggesting that a negotiated settlement is still possible. The international community has urged both sides to find common ground and de-escalate the conflict. A protracted trade war would have far-reaching consequences, harming businesses and consumers worldwide. However, significant obstacles remain to reaching a comprehensive agreement. Key issues, such as intellectual property protection and market access, remain unresolved. Any deal would need to address these core concerns while also providing a face-saving outcome for both sides. The path forward remains uncertain, but the potential for a negotiated settlement offers a glimmer of hope. The world is watching closely, hoping that dialogue and diplomacy